denied. Here's what you need to know about the DEA's decision not to reclassify marijuana. It was supposed to be the greatest thing to ever happen to the marijuana industry, the rescheduling of marijuana away from its current status as an illicit substance with no recognized medical benefits. Moving marijuana to anything other than Schedule I would allow for physicians to prescribe medical marijuana to patients throughout the United States, and it would presumably be the dawn of a new era for the cannabis community. However, this utopic dream will have to wait for another day. The DEA declines to reschedule marijuana. After a long analysis of the risks and benefits of medical marijuana by the U.S. Drug Enforcement Agency, DEA, which was supplemented by the recommendation of the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, the DEA announced on Thursday that it plans to leave the current Schedule I status of medical marijuana unchanged, with one small caveat. The agency will relax certain regulations surrounding marijuana research for medical purposes, presumably allowing for more legal grow farms with the expressed purpose of medical marijuana research. There's currently only one approved cannabis grow farm for medical research in the U.S., located in Mississippi. Based on the recommendation it received from the HHS, as well as its own research into marijuana's medical risks and benefits profile, the DEA chose to keep medical marijuana illegal for three specific reasons, quoted below directly from the DEA. 1. Marijuana has a high potential for abuse. The HHS evaluation and the additional data gathered by DEA show that marijuana has a high potential for abuse. 2. Marijuana has no currently accepted medical use in treatment in the United States. Based on the established 5-part test for making such a determination, marijuana has no currently accepted medical use because, as detailed in the HHS evaluation, the drug's chemistry is not known and reproducible, there are no adequate safety studies, there are no adequate and well-controlled studies proving efficacy, the drug is not accepted by qualified experts, and the scientific evidence is not widely available. 3. Marijuana lacks accepted safety for use under medical supervision. At present, there are no U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA-approved marijuana products, nor is marijuana under new drug application, NDA, evaluation at the FDA for any indication. The HHS evaluation states that marijuana does not have a currently accepted medical use in treatment in the United States or a currently accepted medical use with severe restrictions. At this time, the known risks of marijuana use have not been shown to be outweighed by specific benefits in well-controlled clinical trials that scientifically evaluate safety and efficacy.